The accused, having been sentenced to 12 life sentences, will in essence serve one life sentence.
Ackerman ubonakale engagqiziqakala obekushiwo yijaji khathi likhipha isigwebo.
Will you please put your hand down? This is not a school where you can just lift your hands when you feel you have the urge to do so.
Uyawaphika wonke amacala agwetshelwe wona.
I didn't tell them to go do sexual stuff. I always told them not to do that.
You did circulate pornographic material.
No, that's not pornographic. It's a legal website.
Of children, naked children.
It's a nudist website.
Of children.
But it's a legal website.
Of children. I'll ask you again. A legal website of naked children, minors.
No, of families.
Which families?
Men and women with their children, yeah.
Uthi uzosedlulisa lesi sinqumo.
When you don't speak properly and correctly, you get found guilty, and your legal aid representation fails you.
Akaneme ngendlela umthetho osebenza ngayo.
You've got no resources in prison to prepare for your trial.
INPA nenhlangano yezingane basemukele isinqumo senkantolo.
We are satisfied with the sentence. It brings such fulfillment for the hard work done both by Advocate Dube and her team.
Uthole isigwebo esimfanele ngqo uAckerman. Sithi ke nakwezinye izingane ningasabi ukuza ngaphambili nizobika emaphoyiseni.
Ackerman uneyinsuku eziyisikhombisa ukwedlulisa lesi sigwebo kanti iNPA ithi izokuphikisa ukwedlulisa kwakhe isinqumo.